Okay, so in this video we are going to be replacing our front passenger side CV axle. It is very badly worn. The splines on the shaft are probably very worn. You can tell I can give it some good wiggle, and that's no good. So we're going to be replacing that. Alright, so we got the axle removed. Here it is. Looking good. So, as you can tell, let's put it more in the light, but we have next to no splines, pretty much. So, here's a new one, brand new, nice splines. These ones are just fully flattened out, which is pretty crazy.